drones may indeed allow filmmakers to get great tracking shots, but there are many situations in which it's just too risky, if not outright illegal, to fly them. It was with this in mind that Wiral LITE was created. Introducing Wiral LITE, the first affordable, easy-to-use cable cam system for filming with smartphone action cameras and mirrorless cameras up to 1.5 kilograms. It's a simple, compact and relatively inexpensive cable camera system. Mount your camera or phone on the cable cam unit, extend that unit's two wheels and loop it onto the rope. The whole process reportedly only takes a few minutes. From there, it's just a matter of turning the cable cam unit on and using its wireless remote to send it motoring along the rope. The remote has a maximum range of 200 meters, and the speed can be set anywhere from 0.01 km per hour for time-lapse shots all the way up to 45 km per hour. Unlike a drone, it can safely be used indoors and over crowds. Plus, it can easily pass through narrow spaces. Additionally, its battery life is much longer than that of a drone. It can apparently go for 3 hours per charge. If you are interested in getting a system, it's currently the subject of a very successful Indiegogo campaign. A pledge of $239 will get you a Wiral LITE kit, and a pledge of $279 will get you Wiral LITE kit with travel case.